Hey guys, I'm back with my second Bazooka reaction video, and it's to a CME and the new song Magroko Katai Chain Saw. This came out 18 hours ago, and this film involves vocal, chiza, guitar, shogo, bass, ricatico, and drums, how. They debut July 23rd this year. So enough said, here we go. My favorite member is the bass player. Oh, that's so good. So good. How? That's on my bass. Here's that go. So good. I love the new look. Says, I like pandas. This is a lead. Wow. Look at this. I'm getting into this. Oh, the gloves! I haven't left some gloves, but not the whole sleeve of it, but you can see how my fingers put them on. All those gloves. I'm loving this. This was like Texas Chainsaw Massacre. When he had the chance, so just kill that girl. A-C-M-E coming to an enjoy job. United States Sunday Show concert for children who go in. Baby, no. Wait, she's becoming dead, but hold it. Wait, I'm confused. See you next. What? Wait, I'm confused. That guy with the chainsaw. Was he friends with them and somehow... Okay, I'm so confused about all the scene. She's Shogo Arikito, the bass player, and how they look so handsome with and without makeup. But I love the music video so much. So you guys tell me what you think about ACME in the song Maguto Kaeta Chainsaw. Who's your favorite member of the group? Leave comments down below. And yeah, I'll be back with my third video reaction. Bye!